What's up, folks? Hillbilly Hash with you here. Getting ready to put the germinated seeds that I put in dirt under a light for a month or so. Before I do, however, I haven't used this space in a while. So I got some neem oil from the store. I'm just going to spray everything down in there. Make sure it kills all the spider mites. It's also a fungicide. The brand I bought anyway has a fungicide along with neem oil, I should say. But just want to put it on spray a little bit on everything just to keep the spider mites under control and any molds or any mildew. You don't need to spray it on your actual light or nothing like the bulb itself. It's fine, but after you clean it out, hopefully she'll fire up. I use a 400 watt HPS. Oh yeah. We good to go. I only had 3 of them germ so far. The other ones will probably be ready in a day or two. This will keep getting brighter and brighter, by the way, as it warms up. Oh. But clean your space before you use it, folks. All right, have a good one. Peace out.